I'm Mike Causey, North Carolina Insurance Commissioner and State Fire Marshal. Did you know cooking is the #1 cause of home fires and Thanksgiving is the peak day for cooking fires? With the holidays upon us, friends and families will be gathering in the kitchen, enjoying what's on the stove and in the oven. Here's 3 safety tips to keep your family safe this holiday season. First, always stay in the kitchen when you're cooking on the stovetop. Second, keep children 3 feet away from the cooking area. And finally, make sure your home smoke alarms are working. If you plan on frying a turkey this year, make sure that turkey is completely thawed. Dropping a frozen turkey into a deep fryer is a recipe for disaster. A major mistake that could start a huge fire. If you happen to have a fire, just get out. Call 911 when you and your family are safely outside. For more fire safety tips, visit our website ncosfm.gov. Have a happy and safe Thanksgiving.